Okay, so the first students are starting to join. We will wait for a couple of minutes before introducing Bawana and Sana. In the meantime, my name is Lavinia and I'm part of the DocCity team. It is my pleasure to welcome you today to today's webinar. If you want, in the meantime, you can pop
the video.
Yeah, you can pop the video.
Okay.
Hello, everyone, and welcome. More people are connecting. Okay, so if you want, you can pop in the chat where you are connecting from.
Change your career on a fast track with a top-rated UK MBA. Stay competitive and relevant in a fast-changing world. MBA. Gain broad perspective in management and leadership. Features. Learn from anywhere. 1-year duration. Quality approved. Live interactive classes. Assignment-based evaluation. Affordable fees with EMI. Admissions open. Apply now.
Okay, so more people have connected. Thank you, Sana, for this introductory video. So it is my pleasure again to welcome you to today's webinar. My name is Lavinia and I'm part of the Doxcity team. It is my pleasure to introduce you to Bawana, Head of Business and Admissions, and Sana Sadullah, Senior Admissions Officer. So I will leave the floor now to Sana, and she will explain how to set up your career with an online MBA.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Ms. Lavinia, for the brief introduction, and I welcome you all for the session today. Good evening and good afternoon, as per your respective country time zones, for joining this session, despite your busy schedule. So, like how Ms. Lavinia said, this is an exclusive session to discuss about our MBA course that is offered by Exceed College. So, without any further ado, let's begin with the session. I hope you all can see my screen.
Yes, we can.
All right. I'm sorry, there's the system. I mean, the presentation is loading. So yeah, to give you a brief about Exceed College. So Exceed College is based in UAE, and it is an enterprise of Westford Education Group, that is WEG. So Westford Education Group is a licensed education group in UAE for more than a decade now. And we offer multiple courses, that is postgraduate courses like postgraduate diploma, master's courses from various universities. And from Exceed College, we offer MBA degree from 3 different universities. One is a European university, a UK-based university, and a US-based university. So we will be seeing in detail about the MBA courses from each of the university. All right. So yeah, we'll just discuss about the Exceed College. So our main motive is to offer the MBA course, which is mainly designed for working professionals so that they can excel in their career without having to pause their work. Okay, so that is the main motive. And because of this, we have offered flexibility in all of our MBA courses from any of the university you choose with. Okay, so yeah, the first university we'll be discussing about is the UQAM University. So UQAM is an internationally recognized university, and its degree certificate is accepted worldwide. It ranks among the top 10 European universities for MBA as well as for its quality of education, which is as per the recent Times Higher Education ranking. Okay, so coming to the accreditation, UQAM holds accreditation from ANICA, that is National Agency for Quality Assurance of Higher Education from Spain, and it is a member of European University Association, that is EUA. Only when you have any university that has these regional accreditations, it makes it internationally recognized also. Okay. And the other important institute that you will be seeing in this session, it is the Cambridge International Qualification, because all of our MBA courses are dual certified, wherein one of the certificate you'll be getting, that is a postgraduate extended diploma certificate, alongside the MBA degree, which is awarded by Cambridge International Qualification from UK. So CIQ is a top-ranked institute in UK, which is mainly responsible for offering postgraduate diploma courses, especially. Like postgraduate diploma, postgraduate advanced diploma, and postgraduate extended diploma courses. And it has partnership with more than 100 organizations. So we offer a level 7 postgraduate extended diploma from Cambridge International Qualification as an added advantage alongside your MBA degree certificate. Okay. Yeah. So with UQAM University, we offer 13 different specializations in MBA. That is general management, accounting and finance, marketing management, health and safety leadership, operations and project management, global banking and finance, energy and sustainability, business analytics, agile supply chain management, global healthcare management. And we have 3 newly launched specializations, that is global sports management, public relations and advertising, artificial intelligence and blockchain. Okay, so you can very well choose your interest from this specializations, as you can, register your interest in the chat box with specialization you would like to go ahead with. And all of the details for these specializations are mentioned in our website as well. We will be seeing soon our website and all of the sample certificates so that you can take an informed decision at the end of the session. Okay, so coming to the program highlights, this basically applies for all of our MBA courses from any university you choose. So all of our MBA course, it is a 1 year duration. Ideally, a traditional MBA course is a 2 years program, but with us, you can complete it in 1 year itself in a fast track mode. Saying it as fast track, it doesn't mean that there is any bypass in the learning subjects or something. So what you'll actually be learning in a 2 years course will be covered in this 1 year course itself. It is just that it saves your time in writing examinations and going to the university. So all of that is curbed so that you can complete this master's course in 1 year itself. And it is a dual certified MBA course. Both are level 7 qualification. Like we had discussed before, alongside the MBA degree, you'll also be getting a postgraduate extended diploma from a UK institute, that is Cambridge International Qualification. And UCAM is an internationally accredited university because it has major accreditations, that is ANICA and ENQA. Only when these 2 accreditations are there, it will help you to get this certificate internationally recognized also. And most importantly, it is WEST approved MBA. So WEST stands for World Education Services, which is the one of the important regulating body. Whenever if you have any plans to migrate to Canada or US in future, you will have to have your certificate validated through WEST before you apply for the immigration. So WEST normally validates your degree certificate, and it provides what equivalency your degree certificate holds as per the Canadian education system. Okay, so that is the main role of the WEST. And as per the Canadian education system, this MBA course has received the proper equivalency of a master's degree, which we will be seeing soon in the following slides. Like we had mentioned in the beginning of this session, it is this MBA course is designed mainly for working professionals. So there are no written examinations in this course, which means there will be evaluation in place, but in the form of assignments. Okay. And there is no failing system in this program, because of which the success rate of this program is 98%. Because even if you have scored less than 50% in an assignment, consider, you will still have an option to resubmit the assignment based on the feedback given by the faculty as what went wrong in your first assignment. So when you have an option to resubmit, that means there is 100% success rate of your MBA course. Most importantly, it is online live interactive MBA course. It is not a self-study one. When we mean live interactive, it is like a blended learning wherein you'll be having the comfort of an on-site class in the same means of an online mode. Okay. And you can directly interact with the faculty when you're in the live class, which will just be like a virtual classroom. And not only with the faculty, you can also interact with the fellow mates who will be in that session from different countries, which will gain you a good international exposure as well. Okay. So the timings of the classes are like 7:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. UAE time, which you can calculate as per your respective time zones, because GST is 2 hours ahead from the central CEST time. Okay. And it is just weekly 2 classes, not every day. So in a week, you'll just have to spend 4 hours for this course. Okay. And to your benefit, all your sessions will be recorded as well. Both attended and non-attended sessions will be recorded, so that even if you have missed out on any live class due to your busy schedule, you can still catch up with the recorded sessions anytime when you're free. And there are no hard materials given for this study. It is all, you will be given access to the e-library, wherein you'll have your case studies, journals, and study materials to be referred from the e-library itself. And coming to the, the guidance, it is a complete guided learning MBA course, wherein you'll be having the faculty assistants by default. And alongside the faculty assistants, you will also be assigned a dedicated course leader and course administrator, who will be like your mentors or like your supervisors. And they'll also be assisting you throughout the completion of the MBA course. So basically, all of the required support from our side will be given to you for you to successfully complete this MBA course. Okay. And the fees is also very flexible, and it is wherein you can make the payment in the form of monthly installments, right? So these are some of the program highlights for the UCAM University, which is pretty much the same for the rest of universities as well, with only the slight change in the difference in the class timings. All right. Yeah. To see the eligibility requirement to pursue the UCAM MBA, it is bachelor's degree, that is mandatory. Even if you're a fresh graduate with no experience, also you can pursue this MBA course. And for those who do not hold a bachelor's degree, we have a mature entry route in place, wherein if you fall into any of these 3 categories, you can still pursue this MBA course. For example, if your last qualification is high school, and if you have minimum of 7 years of work experience, the work experience we mean here is a professional work experience, then you can still pursue this MBA course. Likewise, if your last qualification is diploma, you should have minimum of 5 years of work experience. And if your last qualification is HND, that is higher national diploma, then you should have minimum of 4 years of work experience to complete this, to pursue this MBA course. So as supporting document, you'll have to provide your work experience letter, which is mandatory. This is only for those who do not hold a bachelor's degree. Okay. So the mature entry route is the same for the UK MBA also, with just that, you will not have the high school requirement, which we will be seeing in the following slides. Yeah. So this MBA course, it is a modular based MBA course. It is not a semester based. So there are 7 modules in total for this MBA course, of which 4 are core modules, 2 are specialization module, and 1 is a general module. You'll be doing 1 assignment for each module. In total, you'll be doing 7 assignments. Okay, and towards the end of the course, you'll be doing the dissertation, that is like a final project. Okay, so we'll see in detail what you'll be learning under each of the modules. So the 4 core modules are strategic change management, strategic management and leadership, operations management, and international human resource management. Okay, so these are the 4 core modules. And the 2 specialization modules will vary as per the one you choose. So the details of this is mentioned in the website, because it is a 1-hour webinar. We might run short of time if we explain in detail about each of the specializations. So if you want to know more about them, you can visit our website and you can see in detail about the learning outcomes for each of these modules. Okay. Yeah, so the other general module that we had mentioned, it is the socioeconomic and legal framework, which is the module you'll be doing before you enter into the dissertation. Okay, and you'll be having a research method class, wherein you'll be deciding on which topic and how you'll be progressing with your project and everything. So dissertation is further classified into 3, that is the research proposal, thesis, and viva. So these are the 3 categories that will come under the dissertation. Viva is nothing but a question answer session, which you'll be having with the faculty and the external, and you'll be explaining how you came up with this project and how you completed it, everything, right? Yeah. And the additional certificate which you'll be receiving alongside the other 2 certificates of the MBA, that is the Certified Manager certification, which is awarded by Chartered Management Institute from UK. So CMI UK is also a top-ranked institute in UK for offering certification courses, and it is also one of the important institute for its membership, which is renowned for its membership. So we offer 8 different certifications from this particular institute, that is Certified Manager, Certified Team Leader, Project Management Practitioner, PMP, Strategic Human Resource Management Practitioner, SHRM, Supply Chain Management Practitioner, SCMP, Certified Healthcare Management Practitioner, CHMP, Certified Sales and Marketing Professional, Certified Digital Marketing Professional. Okay, so these 8 we offer from CMI, that is Chartered Management Institute. So you can opt any one of this as your additional certificate alongside the other 2 certificates of the MBA. Okay, which makes it a triple certification MBA. So the triple certification are namely Master of Business Administration in the respective specialization, which is awarded by UCAM University from Spain. Then you'll be receiving a postgraduate extended diploma in the respective specialization, which is awarded by Cambridge International Qualification, CIQ from UK. And the third certificate you'll be getting, it is a Certified Manager certification. And this will vary depending upon the one you choose from here. That is awarded by Chartered Management Institute from UK. And alongside that, you'll also be getting 1-year free affiliate level membership from CMI. So CMI, like we said, is renowned for its membership. So we offer the first level of membership for free, along with the Certified Manager certification, which after 1 year, you can choose to renew depending upon which next category you fall into, because there are different levels of membership starting from affiliate level, chartered level, fellow level, it goes up to CEO level. Okay, so the first level of membership you'll be getting for free alongside the Certified Manager course. Okay. Yeah. So now we'll be quickly seeing the website. In the meantime, if you have any of the questions, you can drop it in the chat box, which we will be addressing soon once we are done with all of the explanation part. Yeah. So this is the Exceed College official website, and there are multiple tabs under it. We are in the first tab that has all of the master MBA courses that we offer from 3 different universities. That is UCAM University, University of South Wales from UK, and Carolina University from US. So under UCAM, we offer 13 different specializations. Okay, so which is what is mentioned here. So if you click on any of the specialization, it will lead you to this page, okay, wherein it has all of the program overview, the specialization pathway modules. So if you click on read more, here it shows all of the learning outcomes for each of the module. Okay, so you can very well get the information from our website itself for each of the specialization. And if you wish to choose, if you want to download the brochure from the website, you can do that as well. Or if you wish to speak to any of the advisor, we have that option as well. And you can also request for a demo class just to know how a live interactive, class works out. And the most important and a new feature which we have introduced, it is a chat with a student, wherein you can chat with any of our students who have either completed the MBA course with us or who are currently doing the MBA with us. So there is an option to chat with the student to get, you can chat with them to have a better feedback about our MBA course, and you'll get to know from them directly and what is, based on their experience with our MBA course. So please bear with me as it takes time to load.
No worries, Sana. In the meantime, everyone, please drop your questions into the Q&A box, and they will get answered in the last 15 minutes of this webinar. Don't be shy.
Yeah. So this is the chat with the student option, wherein you can choose which country student you want to chat with. Or you can also choose, depending upon the program, which MBA course, which course student you want to chat with. So there are multiple options, and you can start chatting with them to get a download about our MBA course. Okay. And if you further want to see the testimonials of our students, there is that option as well. So these are some of the testimonials of our students. One important thing that you'll have to notice is that 95% of our students are working professionals, and most of them are in managerial levels. Okay, so you can see from our testimonials itself, we have students from different nationalities that is mentioned here, and their designation is also mentioned. So most of them are managers, and we also have CEOs and directors of different companies who have completed the MBA course with us. So like you can see here, operations manager, there's a deputy director. Yeah, development manager, HSC manager. So most of them are managerial level students. And our student network is very profound. So basically, you will also get to have good career opportunities from our student network itself, because most of them, we have a student council group also, wherein our students from different nationalities or different companies keep sharing the job opportunities in their organizations, which the other students in that group benefit out from. Yeah, so that is the course details for the UCAM, and we'll quickly show the partnership with the UCAM University. So this is the UCAM University official website, and we are under the partners tab. If you just look at the hyperlink, okay, and you can also see here, we are under the partners tab. So like we had mentioned, Exceed College is an enterprise of Westford Education Group. So that is what is mentioned here in the official partnership of the UCAM University. So all of the courses, all of the MBA courses that we offer from this university is listed here. Okay. And furthermore, the ranking that we had mentioned, that it ranks among the top 10 European university for its quality of education, which is what is mentioned here. And as per the QS rating system, it has received 4 stars. Okay. Furthermore, if you scroll down, you can see all of the accreditations that this university holds from Europe. Okay. Yeah. So we'll quickly see the sample certificates for the triple certification that you'll be receiving upon completion of the UCAM MBA. So the first certificate, it is the postgraduate extended diploma, which is awarded by Cambridge International Qualifications from UK. So this is how the sample certificate looks like. It will have your name mentioned here, the year of completion. Okay, it says postgraduate extended diploma in business management. So depending upon the specialization you choose in MBA, so this will get changed accordingly. Then it will have the signature of the dean and the hologram of the institute. So a certificate having hologram of the institute adds more authenticity that it is coming from a proper institute and not a fake one. Okay. And if you see, none of our certificates will have the term mentioned as online or on-site or distance learning, which means that you have done a regular MBA course at the comfort of an online program. Okay. And this is the transcript for the postgraduate extended diploma. You'll have 4 core modules plus 2 specialization modules because these qualify for a postgraduate level 7 diploma as per the UK education system. So that is what is mentioned here. And as per the UK education system, each of them carries 20 credits. That is in total 120 credits for the postgraduate extended diploma. You can see it is a level 7 qualification. And here the marks are given for the assignments, which is in a scale of 1 to 100. So 50 is the pass range, 50 to 60 it is a pass range, above 60 it is merit, and above 70 it is distinction. So the grading is also done here. Okay. And the transcript will also have the signature of the dean and the hologram of the institute. And this is a sample certificate for the UCAM University, because UCAM University is based in Spain. A part of the certificate will be in Spanish language. UCAM is an acronym. The full form of UCAM University, it is Universidad Católica de Murcia, which is like Catholic University of Murcia. Okay. But the important content of the certificate will be in English language. So here you can see, upon recommendation of the faculty and in accordance with the provisions and statutes, all of these are in English language. So here you'll have your name mentioned, your passport number, year of completion, and it says MBA in marketing. So depending upon the specialization you choose, this will get varied. And here you can see 60 credits. Like the one we saw on the postgraduate extended diploma, it is 120 credits, which is as per the UK system, because CIQ is based out in UK. Because UCAM University is based out in Europe, which is a Spanish university. So this 60 credits is as per the European education system. So as per European education system, any one-year course carries 60 credits. So that is what is mentioned here. And you'll have the signature of the seal and signature of the university. So all the modules that you have learned in this MBA course will be mentioned on your degree certificate, which is the same, which is mentioned in the postgraduate extended diploma also. And additionally, you'll have the socioeconomic module and the project mentioned here. So the 60 credits split up is mentioned here. And these are the attestations by the Spanish ministry and the Ministry of Foreign Affairs for UAE, because this student was from UAE. So similarly, you'll be getting the attestation, that is the notarization and legalization done by the Spanish ministry and your respective country ministry attestations. Okay. And here as well, you can see that the certificate does not mention anywhere as online. And nowhere Exceed College is also mentioned, because the MBA degree will be coming directly from the UCAM University. This is the transcript of the UCAM University. Okay, so you'll have your name mentioned, your passport number. Yeah, so all the models that we have just, what was mentioned on your certificate will be mentioned on your transcript also. So the credits split up, what is mentioned here, it is what will be reflected in your transcript also. It will have your year of completion. Then this grading is done from a scale of 1 to 10. Okay, and the total of 60 credits is what is mentioned here. Okay, so this is the transcript. And the third certificate, like we had mentioned, which you will be getting as an added benefit alongside the other 2 certificates of the MBA degree. That is the Certified Manager certification, which is awarded by Chartered Management Institute from UK. Yeah, it is mentioned as Westford Education Group because Exceed College is an enterprise of Westford Education Group. So here you'll have your name mentioned, the Certified Manager. If you're opting for PMP, then that will get changed here accordingly. Then you'll have the institution seal and signature, again for the authenticity purpose. So here as well, you can see that nowhere the term online is mentioned, and nowhere, it is mentioned as, the self-study or something as such. So this is the West equivalency letter, which is given for the MBA degree of one of our students. So West stands for World Education Services, which is responsible for the educational credential assessment for immigration, refugees and Citizenship Canada. So it is a letter, I mean, 1 year recent letter, which you can see because it has been dated August 2020. And this is the credential analysis, which is done based on the MBA degree certificate. That is this certificate alone. Okay. Yeah. So here you can see the analysis wherein West has directly contacted the university, which says here documents were directly sent by the institution. So UCAM has sent the certificate again to West for the evaluation purpose. And you can see the status of the university as recognized institution because UCAM is an internationally recognized university. So the majors here was engineering management, which was opted by the student. And you can see as per the Canadian equivalency, it has received the equivalency of a master's degree. Despite of being a 1 year course, it has still received the equivalency of a master's degree as per the Canadian education system, which is pretty much the same education system for other countries also, right? Yeah. So that was all about our UCAM University. So the next university which we will be discussing is the University of South Wales. That is a UK-based university. So this is also a dual certified MBA. Yeah. So when you see about the University of South Wales, so this is the second largest university in Wales in terms of its student numbers. Okay, and it is based in Newport, UK. When it comes to ranking, it ranks among the 66 Guardian University rankings. And as per the World University rankings, it ranks in 1001. Okay, and it has also received a QAA, that is Quality Assurance, that is Diamond logo, which any UK university should have this QAA accreditation. Only then it means that it is a recognized institution from UK. Okay. So under the University of South Wales, we offer MBA in General Management. General Management, we just call it for a referencing purpose, but it is a Master in Business Administration because the UK universities normally do not provide any specializations. Okay, they are mostly general management or because their learning modules have all of the contents involved in it. So they normally do not call it as any specializations as such. And it is also a dual certified MBA. So similarly, how you'll be getting a postgraduate excellent diploma from CIQ. Likewise, you'll be getting a excellent diploma for the USW from SQA, that is Scottish Qualifications Authority. Okay. So SQA is a authenticating body, or it is a regulating body that normally evaluates and equalizes the postgraduate excellent diploma courses which is offered from different institutes. So only when a postgraduate excellent diploma is authorized by SQA, then it is accepted for the top up for the any other institute that you progress with. Okay. So it is structured into two parts, like part 1 and part 2. So under part 1, you'll be learning 6 modules, that is strategic management, sustainability in business, international marketing management, strategic leadership and HR practice in organizations, supply chain and logistics in global context, application of business analytics. Okay, so upon completion of these 6 modules, you'll be getting an extended diploma in global business management, which is awarded by Scottish Qualifications Authority from UK. Okay, and it is also a level 7 qualification. And as per the SCQF, that is Scottish Qualifications Framework, it is a level 11 qualification. Okay. So as per the UK system, each module carries 20 credits. So after completion of part 1, you'll be getting 120 UK credits. So that is what is mentioned here. Okay. Like after completion of these 6 modules, you'll be getting excellent diploma, which is awarded by SQA. Okay. And under part 2, you'll be having research methods and management project. So research methods you'll be doing directly from the university. Okay. And you'll be having 8 live interactive classes from the university itself, that too in their own learning portal that is called Blackboard. Okay. Yeah, and after completion of that, you'll be having a management project. Because there are no specializations for this MBA, you have a wider scope to choose the topic of the project in any field. Like you can choose your topic in finance or in marketing or in business analytics or in supply chain. Any of the area of your expertise, you can choose the topic for the project for the USW MBA. So as you can see, it is very much similar to the UCAM MBA because that also had a dual certification, and it is also a dual certification MBA. Okay. So we'll see what is the dual certification you'll be receiving. Yeah. So the first certificate that you'll be receiving, it is the Extended Diploma in Global Business Management, which is as per the SCQF framework, it is level 11. And as per the international framework, it is level 7. Okay, because we offer dual certified level 7 qualifications with any of our MBA course. Okay. So Scottish Qualifications Authority, it is mentioned here. And you have the hologram and the signature. Furthermore, if you see, these are the attestations by the UAE ministry because the student was from UAE. Okay, and this is the apostille done from the UK ministry. Okay. And this is the MBA degree that you'll be getting from the University of South Wales. It will have both English as well as Welsh language. That is the language spoken in Wales. Okay, so that is what is mentioned here. It is just a sample. Okay, so accordingly, you will have your name mentioned here, Master of Business Administration, and the year of completion. The signature of, the university seal and signature will be mentioned here. Okay. So this is a transcript for the MBA degree from the University of South Wales. So it will have all of the modules that you have learned. There is 6 modules under part 1 and 1 module under part 2. Okay, and the project. So that it will all be mentioned here. So in total, you'll be getting 180 UK credits for this USW MBA course because each module carries 20 credits. You'll be getting 120 credits under part 1 and 60 credits under part 2. So in total, you'll be getting 180 UK credits for this entire MBA course from University of South Wales. Okay. So in the end, we will also be summarizing for each of the university MBA that we have discussed. So the next university we'll be seeing, it is the Carolina University. Yeah. So Carolina University, it was formerly known as Piedmont International University, that is PIU, and it is based in Winston-Salem. Okay. For US universities, there are normally no rankings that is given because they are normally known based on their accreditations and especially the regional accreditations that they hold. So Carolina University holds some of the major accreditations, that is TRACS, AACS, ACSI, and CHEA. So for any US university, if you have to look at the recognition, whether it is an internationally recognized university or not, you'll have to check under the Council of Higher Education, CHEA, Council of Higher Education Association. If any university of US is listed under that, then it is an internationally recognized university. So that is what is mentioned here. Okay. So with the Carolina University, we offer 6 different specializations. That is business analytics, human resource management, marketing management, sports management, supply chain management, and general management. Okay. Against the 1-year MBA course, which is awarded by UCAM University and University of South Wales, the Carolina University, it is a 1.5-year MBA course. Like it is 18 months and it is not a 12 months course. Okay. It is also a dual certified MBA course. Okay. So I'll just quickly take you to one of the specializations. So there are, this MBA is also structured into 2 parts, like part 1 and part 2. So under part 1, you'll be learning 6 modules, which is awarded by Cambridge International Qualifications from UK, which we have seen here. So basically all of our part A's is awarded by Cambridge International Qualification, which you can see for the University of South Wales also. Okay. Yeah. So under that, you'll be learning 6 modules. Each carries 20 credits as per the UK system. So total, you'll be getting 120 credits after completion of part 1. That is postgraduate extended diploma in business management. Okay, once you complete this part 1, you'll be entitled to receive a postgraduate excellent diploma. And the part 2 is a 1-year program. So this 6 modules will complete in 6 months. Okay, because it is a 1.5-year MBA course. Okay. And under part 2, you'll be learning 6 modules, wherein there are 9 modules under core and 3 modules under concentration. Okay, so you can choose any 3 from these 9 modules. Okay, so that should cover up 9 credits, 3 for each module. You can choose any 3 out of these 9 for your core. And likewise, any 3, some of the concentrations will have only 3 concentrations. So you'll have to study all of the 3, and some will have 4, of which you can choose any 3. Okay, so in total, you should be doing 18 credits under part 2, 9 under core and 9 under concentration. Okay, so this part 2 will complete in 1 year time, and you'll be doing this directly from the university, that is from Carolina University, and it is live interactive. Okay, so before that, you'll have to complete part 1 with Exceed College. Okay, that is awarded by Cambridge International Qualification, and then you'll be enrolled with the university for the part 2. So for part 2, there are 4 intakes from the university, that is in January, April, July, and October. So whenever you are completing these 6 modules, you'll be enrolled with the university for the respective intake, depending upon when you complete the part 1. Okay. So yeah, this is a 1.5-year MBA course. We'll see the other specialization just for your reference. So this is the specialization modules. Yeah, for the supply chain, there are 5 under concentration. So you can choose any 3 from the concentration and any 3 from the core. So total, you will be doing 18 credits for the part 2 from the which is from the Carolina University itself. Okay, and you'll be doing part 1. The modules are same, no matter any specialization you choose. So these modules are same, and they'll be carrying 120 credits in total as per the UK system. Okay, so that is the advantage you have with the Carolina University. There are 6 specializations, 13 specializations under UCAM University, and you'll be doing 1 specialization or MBA in General Management from University of South Wales. Okay. Yeah, so the admission requirements for the Carolina University is that bachelor's degree is mandatory, okay, because there is no major entry route for the Carolina University, unlike the University of South Wales and UCAM University. So for this Carolina University, you will have to have a bachelor's degree from any internationally recognized university, all right? And yeah, if you have that, and no matter any year of work experience, either you're a fresh graduate or you have a 10 years work experience or 5 years also, you can still pursue this MBA course. Okay, so like we said, part 2 is directly awarded by, you'll be doing directly from the Carolina University. So we have these many intakes in a year, in August, October, January, April. Okay, so whichever month you have completed the part A, subsequently you'll be enrolled with the university for the part B, depending upon the intakes that they start. And if you wish to travel to Carolina University and do the part 2, you can still do that, for which you'll be getting F1 type visa, which is a study come work visa. It is not like proper work, but it is like an OPT, that is optional practitioner training, wherein you can do it as an internship. So that F1 type visa you'll be getting for you. If you wish to go to US directly to complete the part 2. Okay. So we'll see the fees details. We'll quickly summarize the MBA courses which we have discussed so far, and you'll also get to see the fees, and accordingly you can decide which MBA course suits your interest. And one of the advisors after this session will get in touch with you to explain in detail about each of them. All right. So we'll quickly summarize the UCAM MBA. So UCAM MBA, it is a dual certified MBA course. Wherein you'll be getting 2 certificates, okay? That is the postgraduate extended diploma, which is awarded by Cambridge International Qualifications from UK, and you'll be getting the MBA degree in the respective specialization, which is awarded by UCAM University from Spain. So there are 13 different specializations under UCAM, Okay, and the core modules that you'll be learning under each of the specializations will remain same. So these 4 core models will remain same. So the only change will be in the 2 specialization models, which will vary as per the one you choose. Okay, yeah. So there are in total 7 modules, 4 core modules, 2 specialization modules, and 1 general module. So it is all assignment based. You'll be doing 1 assignment for each module. In total, you'll be doing 7 assignments. And towards the completion of the course, you'll be doing a project. Okay, yeah. So this is about the UCAM MBA, which is a dual certified one. If you look at the fees, the actual course fee for the entire 1-year MBA course, it is 32,000 dirhams, which is $8,800 US. Okay, of which you'll just have to pay 4,000 dirhams, that is $1,100 for registration. And the balance course fee can be paid in 12 monthly installments because it is a 1-year course. Okay. Yeah. So this is the partnership email, which is sent by the University of South Wales, our program director from the University of South Wales, Mr. Stuart Milligan. So this is the partnership email sent to our director, okay, which shows the partnership between USW and Exceed College. Yeah. So this is, we'll summarize the University of South Wales MBA. It is also 1-year MBA and it is dual certified again. So the course is structured into 2 parts, like part 1 and part 2. So under part 1, you'll be learning these 6 models. Okay, there is no change in that because there is no specialization with University of South Wales. Okay. So upon completion of part 1, you'll be getting a postgraduate extended diploma in business management, which is awarded by Scottish Qualifications Authority from UK. And upon completion of part 2, you'll be getting the MBA degree in which is awarded by University of South Wales from UK. Okay. So looking at the fees, it is in pounds. Okay, the total course fee for the entire duration, it is £1,500. Okay, that is, yeah, sorry, 8,300 pounds, which is 42,000 dirhams, of which you'll just have to pay 1,500 pounds for the registration, that is 7,500 dirhams, and the balance course fee can again be paid in 12 monthly installments. So even for the University of South Wales, the part 2 you'll be doing directly from the university. Part 1 you'll be doing with Exceed College. Okay, so for part 2 there are 4 intakes in a year, like January, April, July, and October. So whenever you're completing the part 1, you'll be enrolling with the university for the next subsequent intake. Okay, yeah. So the rankings, it ranks among the Guardian UK University rankings, and it has received the diamond logo for the Quality Assurance Authority, that is QAA, right? Yes, and with the Carolina University, it is a 1.5-year MBA course. It is not 1 year, unlike the UCAM and the USW MBA, because US MBA courses are mostly 2 years MBA course, but still with us, you can fast track and complete it in 1.5 years itself. Okay, so under the Carolina University, we offer 6 different specializations. Okay, and it holds major accreditations, that is regional accreditations from tracks AACS, ACSI, and CHEA. CHEA is one of the most renowned accreditation which any US-based university should have. Okay. Yes, and it is also dual certified. Okay. So after completion of part 1, you'll be getting a postgraduate extended diploma, which is awarded by Cambridge International Qualification, which is the same as how you'll be receiving the UCAM University. Okay. And upon completion of part 2, you'll be entitled to receive MBA degree from Carolina University. So like we said, Carolina University was earlier known as Piedmont International University. So that is what is mentioned here. This is a sample certificate. Okay. Yeah. You'll have your name mentioned here, Master of Business Administration. This is for general management. So depending upon which specialization you choose, so this will get changed accordingly. And this is a transcript for the Carolina University. Okay. So here as well, you can see the partnership representation that is between Westward Education Group, that Exceed College, and with the Piedmont International University. So we have also shown the partnership proofs for your reference. For the UCAM University, we have shown you the partnership with the University of South Wales, and we have also shown you the partnership with the Piedmont International University, that is Carolina University. So looking at the fees, yeah, the total course fee for the Carolina University, that is 1.5 year MBA course, it is 42,200 dirhams, which is 11,500 US dollars, of which you'll just have to pay $1,100 for registration, and the balance course fee can be paid in 12 monthly installments. Okay, although it is an 18 months course, but the fees has to be completed in 12 months itself. Okay, because the part 2 you'll be doing directly from the university. Okay. Yes, so we will take up the questions in the chat box because we have had some of the questions there. Sorry, we had to rush with the session, I mean with the explanation, because there are 3 different institutions from which we are offering the MBA course, which is why we had to rush. And
No
if you
worries,
need
Sana.
further detailed explanation, yeah, one of our advisors will definitely get in touch with you to explain in brief about all of them.
Okay, so we have run a small poll question. So you can see that on your screen, the 3 MBA programs which we have talked about, the UCAM MBA program, University of South Wales, UK, Carolina University. So those who can see the poll question, it is which international MBA program you are most interested in. You can select one option, or if you wish to select 2, or if you want to know about all the 3 programs again, you can select that as well. We just want to understand about your interest so that we can contact you and give you more information accordingly. So please mark your interest in the poll questions, and if you're not able to see, you can probably mention in Q&A or chat box which university you are interested in. So it is UCAM University, Spain, University of South Wales, UK, Carolina University, US. Now quickly we'll be taking up the Q&A. So we have, hi, maybe it has been said earlier, how many years of work experience is needed to join the Marketing Management MBA course? Do you collaborate with some specific companies? It depends on your educational qualification. So basically, if you have bachelor's, then the work experience is not mandatory. But if at all you do not hold a bachelor's degree, if you have a diploma, or probably if you only have high school, then a minimum of 5 years of experience is required. Yes, we do collaborate with the companies to offer them a special fees. So kindly get in touch with us, and if you can provide us your details, because it is coming as anonymous attendee. So if you can please mention your name, or you can provide your details separately through direct message if you wish to, so that we can contact you. And also we are going to share our contact details on the presentation, as well as you can go to our website, you can click on contact us, you can click on our team section and contact any of our advisors. Chardi has asked, do you offer scholarships? Yes, we do offer discounts and scholarships. So for our attendees today, we are offering a special fees, which we are going to share just immediately after the session. So stay tuned. About the application, do I need to pass an interview? What should I prepare? So for your application, we need certain documents and your CV, so that we can go through your profile, and admissions team also will go through your profile once. And if you are eligible for the MBA program, you will be notified and you can directly submit your application form and register for the course. Can I switch from one concentration to another for the UCAM University? Also, do I need to speak Spanish for this program? Thanks for the seminar. You cannot probably switch from one concentration to another. You can probably select one MBA specialization and one PG diploma if you want to probably have 2, if you want to study 2 specializations together. Also, no, you don't have to speak Spanish, because we are the legal partners of the university to deliver this qualification, and we deliver all the qualifications in English language. So you don't have to worry about it. You don't have to speak in Spanish. So are there any more questions? You can mention in the Q&A, or you can mention in the chat box. And
just a quick heads up, for those who have clarifications needed regarding the entry requirements. So you can see it in our website also. For each of the courses, we have mentioned the admission requirements and what is the documents required. It is mentioned in the website itself. Okay. So you can just check for yourself whether you qualify for this MBA course or not, depending upon the entry requirements mentioned here. Okay.
By the way, I think we also have a question in the chat. A student is asking, is saying, hello, I'm doing a BSc in Environmental Health Studies, level 2. So I was wondering, after I've seen your introduction, do I stand a chance of qualifying for any of your offers?
Yes, yeah. Because you have done a BSc in Environmental Health Studies, the one specialization which is relatable to your education, it is MBA in Energy and Sustainability. Okay, so yes, you can choose that option to progress with our MBA course. And yes, BSc, you have completed bachelor's. So with bachelor's, even if you do not hold any work experience also, you can still pursue this MBA course.
Okay. Sorry to interrupt here. He is still doing the BSc is what he has mentioned. So since you do not hold a bachelor's degree, we can help you on the basis of your experience. So please share your highest qualification other than the graduation which you're still pursuing. And as per the highest qualification you have to submit the experience letter certificate so that you can pursue your MBA program.
Yeah. So we would basically want to know what was your last qualification before bachelor's and if you hold any work experience so that we can see if you qualify to pursue this MBA.
I'm a student of computer science and I'm in level 2. Do I qualify for MBA studies? So as we have mentioned very clearly that the minimum qualification required is bachelor's degree. And if you do not hold a bachelor's degree, then minimum of certain number of years of experience is required. So if you have high school, minimum 7 years of experience is required. If you have diploma, minimum 5 years of experience is required. If you have higher national diploma, then minimum of 4 years of experience is required. So if you are currently doing your bachelor's and you do not have any experience as such, then you can go ahead with a diploma with us. I hope that clarifies the doubt.
Yeah, I think it did, Bhawana. Thank you. A lot has been said, and I think it's really hard to summarize 3 institutions in one webinar, but I think you did great. I was wondering perhaps if you could share some tips for a successful application and how to avoid the most common mistakes.
Yeah, Sana probably can do that, but there is a mention of work experience. This is my 12th year. So I'm considering that you have 12 years of experience, Ilukena. So yes, you very well qualify for the MBA program, and you can go ahead and probably because you're doing something in computer science, then you can go ahead and do either artificial intelligence and blockchain, or you can go ahead with business analytics. But artificial intelligence and blockchain would be more relatable. Okay, so Sana, do you wish to talk about the application formalities or what is the best, way to submit the application to avoid any rejections or something like that?
Okay, so like we had mentioned, we have launched a poll. If you have already registered your interest in that poll, so one of our advisors will get in touch with you and they will be sharing you the admission form and all of the required documents that is needed to proceed, to process your admission with any of the MBA course. So basically the documents that is required, it is your academic certificate, that is your degree certificate, or whatever is your last qualification, you'll have to provide that certificate. And if you do not hold a bachelor's degree, then yes, like we had mentioned, you'll have to submit your work experience letter. That is an additional document which is required. Alongside that, you'll have to submit your resume, your passport copy, and a passport size photo. So like we had mentioned, the documents required is mentioned in our website as well. Okay, so you'll have to submit your resume, a copy of your passport, a photograph, then your experience letter. So whichever organization you have served, it is not that you'll have to show the 7 years of work experience from one organization. You might not have worked that many of years in one particular organization. So collectively, whichever organization you have worked for these years, like you can provide the work experience letter from all of them. Okay, so all we need to know is the number of years you have served in work after your last qualification. This is only for those who do not hold a bachelor's degree. For those who have a bachelor's degree, the admission process is very straight. You'll just have to submit your degree certificate along with all of these documents to process your admission. Okay.
So basically, we are going to facilitate your admission with the university. So we are going to take charge of everything. In short, I would just say that please ensure your eligibility, that as per your qualification, as per your experience, you are eligible for this program, and then submit your documents. We'll make sure that you qualify for the program, and we will get you enrolled with the university.
Yes.
That is on us. Yeah.
Thank you, Bhawana. Thank you, Sana. If you have any questions left, please make sure to pop them in the Q&A box as the time is running towards the end. By the way, Sana and Bhawana, if you want to add anything else.
Yeah, we just want to share the special fees which we are offering for today's attendees. So I'm going to share my screen and show the special fees which we have for our attendees today. So Sana, if you can stop sharing.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I hope you can see my screen. Is my screen visible?
Yes, we can.
Okay, so as you can see on your screen, today we have talked about 3 different universities. One is UCAM University from Spain, University of South Wales from UK, and Carolina University from USA. The original fees for UCAM University Spain, as you have already seen, is $8,800. But for our attendees today, we are offering it only for $6,550. For University of South Wales, it is $11,500, and we are offering it for $8,800. For Carolina University, it is again $11,500, and we are offering it for $8,200. And you do not have to pay this entire amount together. You just have to register with $550, which is again the part of the fees and not over and above the fees which we are charging you. And the balance amount can be paid in installments. So take advantage of the special fees, and we hope that you join us in our upcoming batches. I hope this is clear with everyone.
It sure is. Thank you, Bhawana. Okay, so in the chat, I see a request to forward the requirements needed for the application to the MBA.
Yeah.
So if you can share that.
Yeah, sure.
Yes. So you want it to be here, or you want us to email it to you?
You can just pop a link into the chat so our students can access it and
yeah.
this
So
as
Sana,
well.
if you can just copy paste the documents required.
In the meantime, if you haven't replied to the poll yet, make sure to pop your answer.
Yeah.
Okay, that's great, Sana. So you can all find the requirements popped into the chat. So you will need a resume, a copy of your passport, a photograph, your experience, and an employment letter. So thank you
I
again,
somehow
Sana.
cannot see it in the chat box. Why is that so?
Oh, I think, okay, I will forward it into the chat.
Yeah.
There it is. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you have any questions, last minute to ask them.
Yeah, so we can just wait for another minute, and Sana, if you can share the screen and show the details of our advisors, so that if they wish to contact us, they can contact us.
Yeah. I hope you can see my screen.
Yes.
Okay. So these are the details of our advisors. So you can choose to coordinate with any one of them who will get in touch with you after the session. And please register your interest in the poll, because based on that, we will be contacting you shortly after the session.
Okay, so Sana, if you want, I can share the results of the poll.
Sorry?
If you want, Sana, I can share the results of the poll.
Yes, you can share it to Dr. Bhavna. And
Yeah, you can share it with us. It's fine.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So I think
we are almost done.
yeah.
No more questions. Okay, so I want to thank again Bhavana and Sana for such an interesting presentation. And I want to thank all of you for joining us today. Please keep in mind, you will get an email with the registration, the recording of this webinar, and keep an eye out for deadlines. Do you have any deadlines to share, Sana and Bhavana, before we end the webinar?
Yeah, so the deadline would be this weekend. So 5th of September is the last day of the registration for this special piece.
Okay, noted. So thank you once again for joining us, and I hope to see you soon. See you again at the next webinar with Exceed College. Thank you once again, Sana and Bhavana. I wish you all a nice evening.
Thank you, same to you, and stay safe and take care, everyone.